Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the rank function inside Excel. Basically, as you can see, there are some salesmen and these are the total sale of them, and it will be ranking their serial number as of their sales count. So you can see the 78 is the most sale and that is the number 1, and the last one is the 17 and this is number 7. So there is a easy way that you can calculate this just dropping the formula, the rank formula inside the Excel, and in this video I'm going to show it. So first of all, you just clear the content, and now I'll write the rank function. Before that, we need to select which data we want to use inside the rank function, because there is a combined data we need to compare. Basically, we need to compare all the number from this C2 column to C8 column. So what we need to do, we just need to create a name manager inside the formula of this Excel or this workbook. So first of all, you just select from here to this and then click on the name manager. Now you can see automatically it's referred to the C2 to C8. So we will compare all the number from this column. Basically we need to create a new rank using this column. So just we close it and then name manager, then click on new. Now you can see this is our selection from here, C2 to C8. You can just select it and just click on new name to name manager, and it will see this option. Now you just give a name, total sales, or the sales column, just it, and click OK. So this is our name manager. The formula name is total sales. Now close it. Now we will write the name function or the rank function inside this first column from here. So just give the formula rank, then first bracket. Now we need to select the first column of the first total cell from here. Then we'll compare it with the function that we just created, the total cell. If I just type it total cell, you can see this option total cell, it will automatically show up here. So when I insert the total cell, it will automatically select all this number from here, as we created a name manager from here. Then click a comma and then just click, then just type this descending is 0 and ascending is 1. So I'm just giving it 0 and then finish the bracket. Sorry, that's it. Now if I just press enter, you can see this is the 4th number rank. Here I can just format it a bit, sorry. So I can format it like in the middle of the row, and if I just drag and drop it, you can see it will automatically calculate all the formula, and all the list will be ranked based on their sales count. So this way you can use the rank function inside Excel. I hope you understand it. Basically you need to remember that you need to create a formula function from the name manager here. It is important, because otherwise if you just select it from here, it will not work inside this rank formula. So you need to create a name manager and then do it. So thanks for watching. I will see you guys on next video.